Yes, I'm unboxing a wardrobe. What the hell do they do? Do they super glue these things together? How are you supposed to open something like this? This was made for people with fingernails, and I don't have any. I think they super glued the damn thing together. How the hell? Aha. You'd think they'd send instructions to open a box. Well, I'm glad that one's breakable. Book. And damn, this thing's heavy. There's the ultimate PlayStation 4. Look at that baby. And we have another book. There's something else in here. Oh my hell. This might be the worst unboxing video yet. Is there anything else in there? Nope. We have earpiece, plug-in, record, plug-in, and the main thing you're gonna need to play it is this. Thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe. Sorry this video sucks, but hey, at least I got an unboxing one out. My first unboxing video. Have a good day. Unboxing of Red Dead Redemption 2. Okay, and guess where it's going? You realize it's for a PS4, right? Always like to smell them. Okay, that goes to this right here. And yes, I finally got it. It's heavy. Well, pause it.